Khulumbaikha takukte bukuk songno tailam shogo ani o channelo tinini jobungkha DPO contractual basis obongkha bungni advertisement jeremani nalaini chang samseginadi application in plain paper are invited from suitable candidates for recruitment of one contractual post of district program officer obongkha bungni post nibumung Rujaknai disaster management within Khwai district. Selected candidate will be engaged on contractual basis for 1 year, which may be extended further subject to decision of the competent authority. No. Post nibamongkatamo district program officer kaisa no post you are nibagai tai ojob nibagai qualification nangnai postgraduate degree or postgraduate diploma in management, urban, rural planning, social sciences, disaster management and or relevant field. Tai login nangnai at least 3 years experience in the development sector, having relevance to disaster management. Work experience in government, national and international agencies or civil society organization will be given preference. Tai tam nang competencies tamongka hand-on experience in program project management and related tools, proficiency in computers and web application, excellent communication and writing skill including report writing in English. Tai boni bagi salary inka 15,000 per month. Tai age nangnai between 23 hoite 40 years as on 1st July 2020. Tai norok o job ni bagi apply khainamu chukang kitam khainangnai noni je application ba plain paper ba noni biodata fix khaiye nong self attached je documents tomani jotono norok attach khai post khaidi address angkha office the DM and collector Khwai office tila Khwai pin 799202 norok kaisa envelope nari envelope ni bisingo noni je application je tomani joton documents noroi envelope bisingo sakao address khaidi DM and collector Khwai hene tai post nibong chai district program officer hanai tai omo jate before 30 July 2020 ni bisingono sogika chawbon office 4 PM ni sekang tai je shortlist nai je borok shortlist na bong nori hinjang nai interview ni bagai so obon bagai asuk no next takaisa job ni teaching salai nai omong kanai di police accountability commission ti hote najitam sega advertisement for engagement of retired employees in the PSC for the post of head clerk, accountant and UDC ni bagai omo contractual basis no omtam second application in prescribed format is invited from the retired government employees of the state of Tripura for engagement in the post kaisa post nga head clerk ni bagai ta kaisa post nga accountant ni bagai tai two post nga UDC ni bagai of the office police accountability commission Tripura at Semli Bazar government quarter number 6/14 at Kunjaban Township Agartala on short-term contract basis initially for a period of 1 year from the date of engagement subject to approval of the state government and subject to satisfactory performance. Do o job ni bagi norok apply khaini ninke noni je documents bisibang no o job preference jakani ni jara retired person bong no bagi se jara retire ngi thangka borok simino apply khaimanai kaisa ka head clerk accountant tai UDC ni bagai belai kheno kaham jara pension thajak borok apply khaimanai nongni je documents tongmani te nongni plain paper nongni kaisa application si norok job ni bagai apply khaimanai boni last date engkha 3rd August 2020 up to 4:30 PM norok post office fan remano haike courier tiko remano haike bongno yago bongno office thangman job remano bongni office ni address engkha Police Accountability Commission at Kunjobon Township Government Quarters number T614 Shamli Bazar Agartala norok jorar jodi jomarna thangangke jorar jeka 10:30 AM ni simi 4:30 PM jora bana working days simindo gashok no tin bagai belekona hamai takokte bukungsok norok oni on video nema bagai tai subscribe like share kaina tabok di hambai